Tension release exercise is an exercise for both body and the mind. Let's take an example. Most of us go for walking, right? Because there are immense benefits out of walking. But to explain walking is a bit challenging. There are many ways to explain TRE. Here is one way. When you get nervous or frightened, or when you hear a good news, your hands or legs might shake. If you speak in front of an audience, your mouth may go dry, or your hands or legs might shake. It is our nervous system telling you that, hey, you are overexcited. I'm going to calm you down. Shaking is the natural mechanism of human body. When we are feeling cold, the body shakes itself to keep us warm. Can you will it to shake? No, right? So shaking is the natural mechanism of the human body. So let's pause for a moment here. In my previous videos, I have talked about what is stress, what is tension, what is trauma, and how it is affecting our body, and how is stress stored in the body in the psoas muscle, and muscles, tendons and tissues. In the other video, I talked about what is psoas muscle and its relationship with stress, how our tight psoas causes pain, aches in the body. TR is a switch. TR is designed to switch on the shaking mechanism from the body. After shaking or tremoring from the psoas muscle, the body will return to a natural state of inner healing and balancing. This is also known as homeostasis. TRE releases deep muscular patterns of stress, tension and trauma from the body and the mind. So we have shut down the innate tremoring mechanism. TRE is just activating that inner shaking mechanism. The way we hold emotions, pains and how it is stored in the body is different for different people. When we shake, we all shake differently to release tension, stress, thought and emotions associated with it. With TRE, every body shakes. Every body shakes differently. TRE is exposed or practiced by over 5 million people, including doctors, healthcare professionals in 67 countries over 20 years. There are many case studies, testimonials, research articles, published interviews, and reported benefits of doing TRE. So let's pause for a moment and think, why are even these people practicing TRE? The answer is simple. Because they are deriving out immense benefits out of this practice and leading a journey towards healthy well-being. Usually most people learn TRE in around 6 to 8 sessions. It entirely depends on each one of you because your body shakes differently. Once you learn TRE in a safe way with your certified TRE provider and you feel safe and confident practicing it on your own, you can start practicing on your own. So the best way to reap benefit out of any exercise is by practicing it. So you can visit TRE in India website to learn more about TRE. If you have any questions, please drop me a note. I'll be looking forward to see you and coach and guide you to choose and learn TRE as one of your health and well-being modality. Have a nice day.